How to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once on the new update. So go open your Instagram application, go to Profile tab, and if we check our following, I am currently following 90 users. What we usually do is we click on this following button to unfollow someone. But if we want to unfollow everyone, this method will take up so much time. So what we will do is go back, click on the three lines here on the upper right corner, click on settings, go to help, report a problem, and type in a short message on how you want to unfollow all of your followings at once. No need to follow this word by word, just explain that you need them to help you unfollow your followings. After this, click on send. Sometimes it can happen quite fast, but Instagram usually need a couple of days to make this work. So that is how you unfollow everyone on Instagram at once on the new update. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.